औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Students, today our topic is correlation, regression and scatter plot. Okay, we are given here question 11 section 12 8 find correlation coefficient R and draw scatter plot graph of the given data. What is data here? There are two study 1 and study 2. X, when X is 27, it is Y is 19. Similarly, 35, 13, 48, 8, 43, 10, 32, 15. So, solution of this question is this. First, we have to draw the scatter plot. Scatter plot, because these data of two study is look like an order pair. So we have to draw this scatter graph first. Say it is on x-axis and it is on y-axis. First we scale it like 0.4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Or 48, 44, 48, 52. And on y-axis, how we can draw this line and select the point according to data range. Okay. Now here is, say, it is 3, 6, 9 or 4. Similarly, same data 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. What is the maximum value? 19. Okay, it's enough. So, what is the order pair here? 27, 19. 27, 19. Where it will be? We stand at 27 here. Here 27, say, and go upward 19. Near 20. Okay. So, most probably it is the point. Most probably it is the point. Next, at 35 on x-axis 13. 35, 13. It is here. And next 48, 8. 48, 8. It is here. Then 43, 10. 43, 10. It is here. Then 32, 15. 32, 15. It is here. And this is the line what which shows the scale slope is negative because it is from left to right downward. So slope is negative. It shows the point, maximum point and minimum point is this. When we join this, some points near about this, not on the line, it is probably on line. It is probably on line. So it shows it has good correlation. Let's discuss and calculate the value of correlation factor. It shows how it is closer or near to the 100% or near about that. So what is the formula of correlation? This is scatter plot. Correlation factor. Coefficient, sorry. That is R, formula is this, N summation xy, product of the minus summation of x, summation of y over N summation of x square minus summation of x whole square and N summation of y square minus summation of y whole square. So what we need? We need x summation of x, y summation of y, product of xy, square of x, square of y. Let's make a table for the requirement. The table is x, y, x, y. Our what recipe we required is this. Now open your calculator and discuss here. What is the value of this? So it is x is 27, then 35, then 48, then 43. Be silent, please. And what is the value of y again this? 19, 13, 8, 10 and 15. Here will be summation of x, here will be summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square, summation of y square. So multiply x and y. Multiply, use your calculator, please. X y product of these 513. Next 35 multiplied by 13, product is 455. Then 384. Then 430. Then 480. Okay. After taking product of these two data, the summation of the x is 185 and summation of y is 65. Summation of product is 2262. A summation of, sorry, it's here. It is 2262 and now takes care of 27. It will be 7 to 9, then 1225, then 2304, then 1849, then 1024, and the summation of these, sum of all these is 7131. Now y square. Y column takes care. 361, 169, 64, 100, 225, and summation of these 919. Now we have our recipe, what we use here to find value of R. So put the value here is n is how much n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is 5. And what the summation of this is 2262. 2262 minus summation of x 185 and summation of y is this divided by n is 5. What is summation of x square? 7131. 7131 minus 185 square, and again n is 5, 919 minus 65 square. Now use your calculator, find its value. Okay, hurry up. It is here 11310. It is 12025 over 35655 minus 34225 and 4595 4225 and under root. So R is, what is difference? Here is minus 715 and in denominator it is 1430 and 370 under root. It is minus 715. The calculation of this is 727.39. Now divide. The result will be minus 0.098. So our value is this. So what is our requirement? Plus minus 1. It is near to 0. Minus 0, near to minus 1. It shows negative slope. It shows negative slope. What is looking here in scatter? Negative slope. So our R is correct. What shows here data? All points near to this line are on or near to the baseline. What it shows? It is nearly 100%. That is 0.98. So this is a calculation, and its fact is depicted here. The graph is accurate and our R value is accurate. Okay, this is the solution of it.